Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can bring Internet Explorer in Windows 11. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, make sure to write this code in the Notepad app. It's compulsory that you write this code without any error or your system may crash. Note that it's case sensitive. After typing it correctly, save the file as .vbs. Change its name to Internet Explorer and save it anywhere you like. Create a shortcut by right-clicking and dragging it inside the page. Now open the Shortcuts Properties tab. Head over to your account settings and change it. You can get the Internet Explorer icon by going over to the Program Files, Internet Explorer, iExplore. Open the iExplore app and the required icons will be available for you to use. Select the icon and copy the shortcut on your desktop page. Now open it and you can see that the Internet Explorer is now active and running on Windows 11. That's how you can bring Internet Explorer back in Windows 11. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.